Welcome to the personal property tour for 81 Waggon Road in Leven. This is a spacious 3-bedroom ground floor apartment. You also have off-street parking just behind me as well, and the front garden as well as an enclosed rear garden. This is a great opportunity to add value to this property as well, and it's in a great location. I cannot wait to show you this one. I'm just going to take you on the tour. So here's your property here. So as you can see, you've got all this front garden area here, you've got your off-street parking. If you go up to the top of the road here and turn right, you're literally at the Letham Glen roundabout. And if you go down this way, you're coming out the high street in Leven. And that is the property here. Big ground floor, it's a great location, isn't it? I'm just going to take you on the tour. So as you can see, you can access the property from the side here. So just walking down to the side and your entrance is just here. And you can also get to your garden to the rear that way as well as through the property. So we come straight into the entrance vestibule. So this is really handy if you're a family. You've been maybe down the parks and the beaches, you can just drop your shoes and boots here. Great storage cupboard here as well, so fabulous to just offload the coats and hats and things. You've then got your inner door. You've got a lovely spacious hallway as you can see. So really nice size ground floor apartment. You've then got master bedroom in here. So this is bedroom number 1, really good size double. As you can see. Lovely big window as well overlooking the rear garden, so nice and peaceful. You have built-in wardrobe here as well as freestanding furnishings here as well. It's a really nice sized room and great space. If I come down this side, you can just see the length of the room. Really spacious, isn't it? You have a nice desk dressing area up here as well. And that is bedroom number 1. And then straight across from bedroom number 1, we have bedroom number 2. So again, a really good sized double. Currently set up a single, but it is a double. You can see you've got plenty of freestanding furniture. You've also got wardrobe here as well, but it's a really good space. You also have freestanding wardrobes here as well. And this one also looks over the front garden. But as you can see, it's a really good sized room, isn't it? Great shape. Really flexible. You could easily get a double bed in here, as you can see. Plenty of space. And that's bedroom number 2. So we'll come back out into the hallway. And then just off the hallway is bedroom number 3. So this is a good size single room. You can see really spacious, quite a long room as well. Goes further behind the door. But if I stand down here, you can see it's a good size. This is freestanding as well. So if that was not in the room, you could perhaps get a double bed down here. You've got built-in wardrobes here as well. Overlooks the front garden. Really lovely. And then we'll head back out into the hallway. And then from here, you've got another big storage cupboard, which is a real bonus. And you've got your family shower room. So if we head on in here, you can see you've got your WC, you've got your vanity wash hand basin, and you've also got your shower cubicle with your thermostatic controls. But again, good size, isn't it? Overlooks the rear of the property. We'll go back out into the hallway, and if we look back down, again, just to give you an idea of the depth, really spacious apartments these. Then we're going to head into the lounge, which is a really nice shape, lovely and spacious, isn't it? Lovely big room. And you've got your feature fire here too. You've got cupboards and storage area here as well. Nice big window overlooking the front. So again, as you can see, lovely and peaceful. Great day out there. Lovely space. It's lovely and bright, isn't it? But you can see yourself, it's a really good sized room. Then from here you head into the kitchen. So you could potentially, with the kitchen, get a breakfasting area in here. Nice little table. You've got wall-to-wall cabinetry here. So plenty of working space. Lots of storage, isn't there? And then across this side as well, again, you've got plenty of storage. And then just behind the door there, you've got the fridge and the freezer, so ample space in this room. It's a good size, isn't it? Lovely and bright again. And it heads straight on through into the lounge area. If I just turn that again, you get a good feel for it. So as well as accessing the garden from the side, you can also access the garden from here. And I shall just see you out in the garden in a second. So this is your garden area. What a beautiful sunny day. And you can see the sun's really trapped in there. So you could make this beautiful. It's lovely and enclosed. You've got bin store area here as well. And you can access it from the side gate, from the driveway, from the walkway there. But it's a lovely space, isn't it? Oh, you can hear the birds chirping. You've got this outhouse as well, but you could make this a beautiful garden, nice and enclosed, and that's the rear of the property here as well. So much potential, isn't it? I just love the way the sun's beating down on it too. It really is lovely. You've got all this open space here ahead of you too, so it does feel quite private. So, just to recap, this is a personal property tour for 81 Waggon Road in Leven. This is a spacious 3-bedroom ground floor apartment. As you can see, you've got your off-street parking to the front, you've got this lovely garden area to the back, so much potential here. But location-wise, it is fantastic. As I said earlier, literally, you go to the end of the road here, turn right, you're down at the Letham Glen roundabout. So you've got all the transport links there. You can head up to London Links. You've got Silverburn Park up there as well. But also you've got some great eateries. So you've got Agenda there too. So great restaurant, lovely cocktail bar as well. You've got the Scooney Tavern again. Again, lovely food in there too. Nice relaxing atmosphere. You've got those on your doorstep. You can literally walk to those. But also, actually you turn in the opposite direction. You're in the high street in a few minutes. You've got everything the high street has to offer. You've got that great tapas bar that's just opened. You've got the pubs, you've got the restaurants, you've got all the shops. You've got the bus stand, so great commuter links, because actually the St Andrews bus just runs in the next street from here, so you could walk to that in no time at all, and that's going to take you all the way along to the East Neuk, go down to Lower Largo and beyond. As well as that, you've got that beautiful beach, so you can walk along that promenade, enjoy the beach. You've got all the golf courses that surround us here as well. But actually, if you go to Letham Glen, which is literally about a 5-minute walk from this property, you've got that beautiful woodland park. So it's about a mile on a circuit, so great for the kids, great for the family. If you've got a pet as well, fantastic to take the dog down there. So really is in a great location, lots on your doorstep. You've got lots of cycling paths, you've got all the walk routes, you've got the 5 coastal path. You couldn't really ask for more. The train station is a massive bonus as well, of course. Literally, you could walk to the train station from here in about 8 minutes. So again, a real good addition to this location. This is Personal Property Tour. If you think it's of interest to you, you can message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01333 421 774, and the link is in this post for the all-important price point as well. And it's Perry at 5 Properties TV. Take care. Bye-bye.